就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
大家好, those are two different ways of saying hello, how are you in Hakka. My name is Joseph Lin. Time for another Hakka song, and a song that talks about these two important dialects. It's called My Dad Speaks Hailu, My Mom Speaks Sixian, brought to you by Chen Weiru, who wants to use everyday phrases to teach you two major dialects in Hakka, such as have you eaten or have you slept. Let's hear it on ICRT.
大家好，大家好，长来了，长来了，做乜計，做乜計，起咪在，起咪在，起些神，起些心，水木咧，水木咧，我係客家人，想愛學客家，唔該。包芒愛用班記得，來吧過去了，愛美公司人，大家好，大家好，愛用班記得，愛認真，學客吧，希望做得。
这首陈伟如的作品，我爸讲海陆，我妈讲四线，真的太有趣了。一次呢，就让你学到2个主要腔调的客语了。吃饱了吗？睡了吗？去买菜了吗？太好听了，陈伟如。
做乜計？做乜計？起咪在，起咪在，起些神，起些心，水木咧，水木咧，人係客家人，想愛學客吧，唔該，唔該。包芒愛用班記得，愛包共去了，愛美公司人，大家好，大家好，愛用班記得，愛認真，學客吧，希望做得。
透过歌曲来学客语，是不是更有趣了呢？ That's all the time we have, and to say goodbye in 2 dialects, 總來了，總來了。See you next time.
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.